Hi, I'm Rajvi, and since everybody's preparing for NEET PG, and we spend most of our time during the day in our study room studying, I want to make a video on how you can organize your study table and your vision board and your study room itself for more better output, because your environment also affects how you study in the long run, right? So I will start my video and my study room tour. So I will zoom out my study table. Here I am sitting on the chair in front of my table, and this is my study table. So first of all, when you have to start studying, make sure that you close your door, and I used to lock my door too, and so that nobody could disturb me. And yeah, this is a chart of human anatomy, all our arteries. And yeah, also all my clothes are hung up here, and I used to wear only selected clothes during my preparation time. uh, these are all my books. I have put all my books into 3 and 4 shelves. So first one is of my notes, and most of my notes I used to keep them on my table itself. These are my notes of dams, and few notes are kept here, and few CRS I've kept here. Then these are all the standard books, that is of ENT, microbio, uh, ophthalmology and other subjects. These are all the standard books. Even these are the standard books which I used to refer only for topics which I'm weak at, or I want to have a more elaborate or more bigger and more deeper concept for that topic. And the uppermost shelf is of all the CBTs and printouts of all CBTs and previous year papers and TND papers. And after quotes. This is my prayer. Okay, I will start from the very beginning. What all I have put on my board. So this is about pathoapoptosis, and these are all the signs of aortic regurgitation, which I have tried to make a mnemonic and remember. So yeah, I will post this on the group itself. I will try to make a few videos on mnemonics as well in the upcoming days. So this is my aim. This is what all I have to follow during my preparation time. That is, I have to Google images for all wherever possible. Pearls. I was not able to revise them for 5 times, but yeah, I had revised them 2 times. Then in the last 2 months, I used to solve my question banks using custom module, NEET and clinical hashtag. Then learning is mainly by imagining real life patient. Matlab, any symptom and all the spectrum of symptoms which you get, you have to imagine it in yourself or a patient, and how you would want to treat them, or the next step you want you would want to suggest to them. Then I used to form images wherever possible, literally wherever possible in my notes, and flashcards of all the carcinomas. And for carcinomas, especially in OBGY, I have seen Zainab Bora ma'am's videos and they are very helpful. Then yes, whenever you get a doubt of some other random topic, try to clear it at that time itself, or write it down on a paper, and then when you like switch on your phone in the night or during your break time, you can post it to your friends. And this is attempting how many questions. I tried not to keep any question for review. And this is my everyday. I had avoided junk food, literally avoided any junk food, because whatever you eat, it makes up your mind as well. Matlab, if you eat junk, even your mind becomes lazy, and if you eat healthy food like fruits and vegetables, your mind is more active and it is able to remember more. So I felt ki like compromising on a food, working on a diet for getting a good rank is a very good deal now, because only for a year or only for some months you have to like have a control on a diet, and eventually you get a good rank and whatever you desire. So it is good that you follow a good diet and a good lifestyle, especially when you have to achieve a big target in a stipulated amount of time. Then normally I used to sleep for 7 to 8 hours, that is from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. And yes, I had started meditating a lot and visualizing, especially during my bedtime and after me waking up. And these are the tips before exam. I had written it on a paper like 4-5 months in advance itself, to like I had written them, and in the last 15 days, bookmarks, pearls, and notes. Then these are all the nuclei in thalamus. So yes, I will make a video on this too. The most important is my aim. This is the most important thing on my board, which helped me, which motivated me when I did not feel even a bit to study at times. So AIR 50, MD in KEM medicine, dermatology. And yeah, I will make Tanvi is my twin sister. I have a twin sister. Make my twin sister and them proud. I will become a happy, successful and famous dermatologist. And make them proud, because I am studying and they and it's my parents, my sister and my friends' efforts. And I don't want them to want anything to get waste, and everything will be worth. So this is mainly for myself, because I only have to study for 6 to 9 months, and later eventually have the best 60 years of my life later, like monetary wise, and even I'm more dedicated towards yoga and spirituality. So I have chosen this branch of dermatology so that I'm able to invest more time on the things which I like, and which I actually want to know more about. So this is for myself, my parents, as they have sacrificed and done so much for me, literally very much for me, and my sister, who has helped me every single day of my preparation, every single minute. She has helped me, and for my friend Srishti, and because she had first motivated me to give this exam, and not just settle with MBBS. And yeah, to dermatologists to increase people's confidence, make them feel good, confident and happy about themselves, and earn more. That is, my one day will equal to more money for the same amount of time and effort. I will be able to earn more money, and will be able to, yeah, I plan to help and buy all the caged animals, and I have many dreams. So I have written everything on this paper, and it motivates me a lot, because my ultimate aim is to get a seat in a relaxed branch, so that I'm able to earn more money, and I have more time to do other things which I want to do in my life. And I wanted a seat in Mumbai because I don't want to be away from my parents. And this is my Guruji. Matlab, I am following him since 3-4 years, when I first started meditating. And these are all the waves in EEG. Very important, especially beta waves. And REM sleep, most important. See, this is a hippocampus. I've drawn a hippo for theta waves. These are all the examples of genetic disorders, whether they are autosomal dominant recessive or X-linked recessive or dominant. Very important. And this page is the most important on my board, because academically most important, because you have to read this many times to be able to memorize it into your brain, into your subconscious mind. And whenever I used to get bored with my notes or the same subject, I used to take 15 minutes break and read all these charts on the board. Yeah, this is a candle. I used to keep objects on my study table which signify the thing. So this is luminal intensity, which is candela. Unit is candela, so candle. This is Reynolds pen, and Reynolds brought a phenomenon for Candida albicans, which is a germ tube phenomenon in which grows in 2 hours at body temperature. And powder is mainly used for mainly sterilized in hot air oven at what degree, 160 degrees Celsius for 2 hours, or 170 for 1 hour, or 180 for half an hour. Most important, 160 degree for 2 hours. Then this is the heart, which I drew during my first year preparation of for embryology development. This is all base deficit. I used to write the formulae on the board. This is very important. Even this is very important, so I have drawn a box on them. Even this of ophthalmology, where superiors, if the answer is superior rectus or oblique, any superiors, they should present with the opposite side head tilt. Resting membrane potential. Yeah, also this is for rice. This is for vitamin B1, that is thiamine deficiency, which is because of consumption of polished rice. And this polishing is prevented by paraboiling, which is a good thing. Yeah. So eating too much of polished rice leads to vitamin B1 deficiency because of deficiency of lysine and threonine. So I have stuck these rice. Then This I got from Jamaica, and Jamaica has is characterized by a disease called because of consumption of unripe ackee fruit, because of amino acid hypoglycine A, which leads to hypoglycemia, and this is a defect of beta oxidation of fatty acid. Then these are the psychosexual stages of development. And yes, I color my notes and draw as many pictures as possible in my notes. So this is for breastfeeding, where I've drawn him, and alcohol. This is for anal phase. So anal matlab stools, matlab OCD, and stools में 3 आ गया ऐसा, so 3 years. Then phallic phase. So this is for males. So males I show them with a blue color, and females with pink. And this is for latency. As it is latency period, I have colored it black. And last is the genital phase. Yeah. Even this chart is very, 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 very important. Very important. So yes, for nicotine, for alcohol, I have drawn this. Then AV, matlab first is auditory hallucination followed by visual hallucination, which is seen in delirium. So I have drawn a ear and an eye. Then is opium, and then for nicotine, I have drawn this cigar, and I have tried to correlate its symptoms with hypothyroidism of withdrawal. Then is cannabis, so I have drawn this and I have colored it green. And for cannabis, as it is like a cane, I have drawn this cane with a flash symbol. Then is cocaine, which leads to symptoms like adrenaline, especially leading to sudden cardiac death, so I have drawn a heart. And cocaine is like Coca-Cola, so I have drawn this Coca-Cola, which is a bad thing as it has no drug for its treatment of withdrawal or intoxication. You can only treat it symptomatically. Then Edward syndrome. I have stuck this picture of Edward of Twilight, and this is a guy called Edward. So it has a strawberry skull, a prominent occiput, low ears, short neck, mental retardation, micrognathia, overlapping fingers, which is most characteristic. Overlapping finger, especially the 5th finger. Then VSD, CHPS, Meckel's diverticulum, GI malrotation, hypertonia, very important, limited hip abduction, abduction, and rocker bottom feet, characteristic. Then are the serum markers of hepatitis B, which is very, very, very important. This is of acute hepatitis B, and this is of chronic hepatitis B. Only main difference is that in chronic, the antigens, that is HBS antigen, HBE antigen, and the DNA, they continue and are on plateau. They do not vanish or disappear even after 6 months of duration. Then these are the two posturing, that is decorticate and decerebrate. Now for decorticate, I have done this red because the red nucleus is affected here, and in corticate, upper limb is flexed and lower limb is extended, and here in decerebrate, everything is extended. It has so many E's, so everything is extended, and here only there is there are few E's, so only the lower limb is extended. See, now on my table I have arranged all my stationery which I use almost daily. So these are my pens. This is one of my friends gave it to me, Shrishti, and yeah, even the person who gives to you, even that helps to motivate you when you use them, huh? Matlab, you don't want to waste their efforts and their care for you, and you want to actually achieve it and matlab show it to them and prove it, like, yeah. So even this also helps, matlab who has given you what all and how you use it, and try to utilize it during your preparation time. Every small thing gives you a push. These are my highlighters, rub eraser, sharpener, color pens, pencil, different pen, my pouch, stand. Yeah, my the notes which I'm reading today, it always remains open. Like if my morning starts, this is arranged before my morning starts. Matlab the previous night itself I keep my book ready which I want to study for the next day. So this is ready for today. These are all my notes, and I have arranged I have written the subject here, so I'm able to. This is gynae, this is radio, peds, this is medicine, like that, psych, microbio, and these are all the CRS copies. And this review of radiology is very important. You should also go through all the images, and my bottle handy every time, as you don't want to go out of your room to drink a sip of water. It should be ready, and whenever I get bored I look out. Greenery, a lot of greenery. This is for time, and God, see, even here there is a drug called Maraviroc. So Mahavir, and it is a CCR5 inhibitor which is used in the treatment of HIV. So I try to use as many things as possible, and make the learning more fun and more interesting and more different. This is a quote which my friend gave: when you want to succeed as much as you want to breathe, you will be a great success. Yeah, so this was my study table on my study room. Yeah, and anything more you can write in the comment section. I will try to improvise and try to give you more techniques and hacks on how to get more out of your efforts, and how to use different techniques and different methods to get to the same goal, that is a good rank in NEET PG. Thank you.